5 minus 3 equals 2, 3 minus 5 equals minus 2, and 2 times minus 2 equals minus 4. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present, and we also have a multiplication operator present here too. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we need to solve this multiplication first. 3 times 3, that gives us 9. Our expression simplifies to 5 minus 9 minus 5. Now we have two subtraction operators present here, and according to the rules we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this left side first. 5 minus 9, that gives us minus 4, and we have minus 5 present from the original expression. And finally minus 4 minus 5, that gives us minus 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.